What's up, everybody? Today we are this is a live news. This is live news. So first of all, we're playing Car Crashers 2 has been updated. It's Car Crashers 2 has been updated. This is a new Christmas update. I wanted to check out some of the new vehicles. Yeah, the new vehicles. Okay. Anyways, let's just go back into the facility. And I'm gonna show off the new vehicle that is recommended for this video. Oh my gosh. Did you see me? I was basically dancing right there, but for a second, I don't know. But yeah, let's go to the dealership because the main vehicle I wanted to show you was this new vehicle called the Bulky Van 300. I've never used this thing before. This update's only been out for like about a month or so, but I don't know. But yeah, but ever since seeing the new update, it's inspired me to make a new game. I had to. Oh, jeez. Okay. Well, anyways, yeah, it's inspired me to make a video on Car Crashers 2. So, anyways, basically, I was gonna show off the Bulky Ben 300. So yeah, first of all, we're gonna have to. There's no reason to make this video if you're not gonna make some damage. Whoa! Whoa! I don't care about the race competition. I'm gonna destroy this guy too. Guys, get off! Ah! Come on! Oh no, that guy had friendly fire on or whatever. Or PvP mode off. Hey, you wanna fight me? Why, yeah, that's what I've been trying to do for my whole entire life. So yeah, we're gonna try to make some damage. Some damage. Can we run over this car? No, of course they have PvP modes off. Oh my gosh. That's one thing I don't really like, people with beginner cars have. They always have PvP mode off. And I mean, what's wrong with PvP mode? You can just make some destruction. Yeah. Woo! Drift! Let's make the ultimate skirt. I want to make an ultimate skirt. But the only way to do the ultimate skirt is we're going to have to customize. We're going to have to go to the dealership, customize. We're going to have to go to add-ons, and we're going to have to attach the rocket booster. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so yeah, anyways, let's make more damage. Hey, 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 hey. Want to fight me, Tesla? You Tesla Model 3? Ah! Help! Help! I'm stuck here. No! I need to respawn. I need to respawn right now. So now, then respawned, we must make some ultimate damage. Oh yeah. Yeah, you wanna fight? Fight? Woo! Okay, that didn't really do too much. It just scraped off. Dude, I don't think that little Tesla Model 3 is gonna do anything to this. Oh, let's fight, let's fight! Woo! Yeah, you did. How is this thing still driving? Yeah, there we go. Now it's, yep, there, that thing's out of shape. Totally out of shape. Want some too? Who wants some? Ah! No! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Mostly what I'm trying to do right now is just make some damage. Some damage with this thing. Woo! That guy's end. Whoa, I just ran that guy. Oh my gosh. Woo! Yay! That guy just got splattered. I'm trying to make some damage. Hey, you want some? Ah! Okay, do you have PvP? Oh, okay, I think that guy has PvP mode on, but he can't hurt me. Wait, okay, I think that Tesla Roadster had PvP. Oh! No! I respawn. The Pokemon 300. It's just one away from the Tesla Roadster. I mean, it's not a bad vehicle. It's just actually dominational. Boom! Woo! Heck yeah! Wait, how is your? Hey, let me back up. Whoa! I think I just found a hacker, everybody. This guy's flying. There's a hacker in car crashers too. Can I run over this guy? Yep, I can. Okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, that's. Woo! Oh, guys. What the heck is happening? That van. What the? Oh. What the heck? That was messed up. Okay, let's go to the dealership. Let's respawn the bulky Ben. And the reason why you say, you're probably asking right now, why are you not flipping your own vehicle? You're acting weird. Well, it's because I don't think for this vehicle, for how big it is, I think that's the reason why it can't flip. It's for how big it is. Ow! Gosh dang it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna take out this bus. That's the main goal, is to take out the bus. Like you should drive the bus. What am I doing? I could still get it. No. Okay. Anyways, this server's already kind of laggy. So yeah. First of all, I wanted to show you the new more of the update that they've added, more of the updates they've added. So right now we're gonna check out this new vehicle, one of the new vehicles, and it's this one. This is one of the new vehicles, and I was just gonna show you everything that awaits outside the facility. So yeah, there's these little ring things or whatever on the tunnels, and then there's some of these and there's just more snow, and also, hey look, ice! Yeah, ice! Ice! Woo! Skirting on the ice! Woo! Yeah! Here, we need to get a fast vehicle. I want to actually just skirt that thing. So yeah, we're gonna get a very, very fast vehicle, and we're gonna drift it on the ice and see what happens. Here, let's try out the Tesla Roadster, and then we'll try out a few other cars. Okay. What did I spawn outside? Row 4. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go outside. It was this way. Ow! Dang it. Okay, so first of all, we gotta hit the... Woo! Yeah! I have the best idea of all history. Let's skirt this big lake right here. The big frozen lake. Let's do it. Ow! Stop! It's so slippery! Woo! Slippery. Okay, so first of all, we have to get kind of a far distance to show off the speed. For the speed to actually work. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this! Let's do this! Woo! Yeah! Woo! That was awesome. We gotta do that again. Okay, let's do it again. And then I'll show off the stuff. Let's go to the Stunt Park. Let's go to the Stunt Park. I mean, why not? Oh yeah! We're doing the moonwalk. Our car's doing the moonwalk. Oh no! My plans. Okay, we're gonna have to respawn. Let's respawn with the Bugatti Voteranova. I don't know how to say that. Cause I don't know how to speak Spanish, if that's a Spanish word. Yeah, anyways, let's just do this. Let's do this. Let's go. Okay. First of all, we need to move out, just like this. We need to go try out this river. Oh, wait, should we skirt? Oh, I thought that was water. Hey, we don't even have to drive. We can just drive on the water freely. Oh, they never made a better update than this. This is awesome. Let's skirt. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Oh, no, that's not good. That's not too good. Yeah, we lost our car. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time with... Should we try with the bulky Ben 300? Sure, I guess we can try it out. And then we're going to try one more vehicle and I'm going to end it. Actually, I forgot about the Stunt Park. First of all, we got to use our rocket to get over there, because why not? I mean, yeah, why not? Okay. First of all, we need to do this. Okay, let's gain some speed. Okay, whoa! And, whoa! Yeah, let's go! This is what I've been trying to do my whole entire life. Woo! This is awesome. This update is amazing. I like that you can just drive on the water now. But it's just too awesome. That's what I can call it. Too awesome. Woo! Yeah! We're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. We're doing this. Whoa! It looks like I'm doing my car's doing the robot dance. Oh no! There's the water. There's the water. No! What? I could still go. I could still do it. Yeah, I did. Yeah, this ain't working out too good. Okay, guys. First of all, we gotta check out the Stunt Park. See if they added anything new, because I don't actually, ooh, did they add, oh, this is a new bus. Awesome. Let's check out this bus. Wow, this thing's big. It's a big bus. Hey. I'm trying to explore, so can you get off? Ow. Please. I'm just trying to do this. I'm just trying to go outside row 4. That's all I'm trying to do, sir. I just want to check out the Stunt Park. What? Hey. Hey, dude, stop. I'm just trying to... The emergency core self-destruct. Ooh, hope you don't mind if I do. We gotta bring out... Let's bring out this car. Okay. Where is it? I forgot. I can't hear anything. Where is it? It's at the Stunt Park. I know it. Wait, where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh, it's all the way over there? Oh, gosh, no. This ain't good. I did not know it was all the way up there. But hey, we're gonna make it because we're awesome. No. I'm not being left behind. No. No, please don't flip it. Okay. It's leaving in 20 seconds. Okay. Okay, stop it. Also, I didn't have enough time to take off PvP. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enter. Oh my gosh! That was so... Wait, I got left behind. That's not good. No, I got left behind, guys. This ain't too good. That sucks. Ah! I thought I got in already. That was messed up. No! Now, that's one thing I hate. Hey, language. Okay, that's one thing I hate about Car Crashers 2. Is that you have to literally click the gosh dang thing. You have to click to sit down. That's stupid. That's one thing I hate about it. That's one thing I hate about Car Crashers 2. I just really hate that. So, first of all, let's just go explore. Let's go explore. But this time, I don't care about new vehicles. I care about the monster truck, even though the monster truck was added like the first time the game came out. But yeah, first of all, we have to go out here. We have to check. We're gonna check out the Stunt Park. We're gonna have to check out the Stunt Park. Let's see if there's some new things to it. Basically, it looks the same to me. What is there anything up? Oh, oh, why? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oops, I meant to press flip. Okay, there we go. So now, I can't believe it was the menu or whatever was hiding down here the whole time. That's crazy. Okay. We want to go above the limit of how fast this thing goes now. Okay. Let's check out a few things. We need to check out some things. I freaking messed that up. Okay, let's flip my vehicle. Let's flip my vehicle. Let's flip this up. Whoa! Yeah! Let's go. I did the double front flip! Oh, and I lost my rocket. And now I'm stuck. Gosh dang it. We're gonna have to respawn. This time we're not messing up. We're not messing up this time. Woo! Ooh, that hurt, man. That really hurt. In real life, somebody would die from that. Yeah. Right now, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's check out what's in the new tunnel that came out like about this new tunnel. Okay, doesn't really seem like there's anything new. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Wait, what is that? What is that over there? Are those 5 village houses? 4? What is this? What is this? This is crazy. What are these? Can I break in? Can I go in? This is crazy. I think these things, okay, are new to the update. So yeah, okay, anyways, I don't even know if we can get inside. Can I look inside? Okay, I can't look inside. Okay, that's fine, I guess, but I just really want to know what's in there. I want to know what's in there, but it's fine. Okay, let's go back to the Stunt Park. Let's check out the new thing again. So first of all, let's get down. Let's go to the other side since there's no way you can ever possibly make that jump. But I don't even know why it's there, to be honest. But first, we gotta get up there. Yup. How are we supposed to? Oh, I know exactly. Yep, I know exactly how to get up. We're gonna need to get some speed for this. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I see. I thought I was actually gonna mess up there for a second. I was gonna lie to you guys saying I won't mess this up. But here, I have to find a way to get up. Oh, right here. Yeah, right here. That's great. Okay, first of all, we need to go right. Let's go this way. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh. I don't really like that they added this big old thing right here, but it's fine. It's still pretty good. So yeah, there's nothing really new to the Stunt Park except the thing they added last update. Except those new houses. Those are new. But yeah, let's do a few. Oh my gosh, how many flips was that? Was that a double back flip, or was that a double front flip or triple front flip? Put it in the comments below. So yeah, guys, that's basically everything. Yeah, it's basically everything in this update. So yeah. Wait, oh, there's some Christmas trees. Awesome. Whoa, look, there's some lights on these. Lights on the sides. Side skirts. Can I get out? I'm stuck. I'm trapped here forever now. Please, help. Okay, I wanted to check out the Christmas tree up there. I don't care. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back up there. Because we just need to go to that mountain. And then after we go to the mountain, that's it. That's the end of the video. It's up there. It's just right there. So yeah, let's do this. Go up. Wait, can we? Come on, come on, no! Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Oh wait, I thought there was a Christmas. Oh, it was on the other mountain. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That was a big rag doll. I broke all my bones from that. You probably couldn't hear it since I was just you know. I turned off the microphone. I just turned off the sound so you guys can hear me. But yeah, anyways, let's go back to row 4. We need to go check out the other mountain. We need to go look at that Christmas tree. The big Christmas tree up there, and then that's the end. Whoa. Because yeah, we already did almost every, oh, there's some more houses, yeah. Wait, what is up there? Is this new? I don't think I've ever seen this. They added a racetrack up. Oh, I didn't mean to jump out of my vehicle. They added another racetrack right here. Whoa, this is awesome. I love this. This is amazing. Here, let's go up here. I can see some new stuff up here too. Oh, they added another racetrack. How many racetracks does there have to be? Some race centers, whatever. It's pretty cool. And look, what we've been all looking for the whole time, or looking at. Oh, no, please. Oh gosh, that's not good. Okay, let's flip. Oh, I thought I was going to fall off there for a second. But right after we check out the Christmas tree, we're falling down. Okay. Whoa. Here's the Christmas tree. Let's get out. Let's get out of our monster truck. Let's check this Christmas tree out. Check out the little Christmas tree, even though it's dark. Oh my gosh, this thing's a lot bigger than I thought. Let's climb up. Come on. Please. I want to climb up. Oh no. Please. I have an idea. I can use the monster truck to get up there, to give me a boost. I can use the monster truck to give me a boost. Whoops. Okay, let's go. Let's go do this. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes, we're up. Here, I have an idea. We jump on the Christmas decorations and then jump up. Oh, this is amazing. The best idea ever. I need to get on top of this Christmas tree. We need to do this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Wait, I can't get up. No, this isn't good. Please, I just need to get up. Oh gosh, no. Please don't do this to me, game. Oh, I almost did it there. Come on. Oh, I did it! I freaking did it! Okay, let's stand on top of the star. There we go. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. Woo! This is amazing, guys. This is so awesome. I love this. I love this update so much. Whoa, the map. Jeez, this map is huge. I did not realize how big this map is. So yeah, guys, this was an amazing. This was an amazing time. I really enjoyed the game a lot, and I hope you enjoyed too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and